Looking at this equation, I can tell this is not a linear equation. The reason why I can tell that is by looking at this variable here. If you have a fraction in your equation and the variable is in the denominator on the bottom, you will know for a fact that this is not a linear equation, meaning if I were to graph this equation, it will not be something like this, a straight line. If you want to see what the graph looks like, you can go over to desmos.com/calculator and you can start typing in the equation. So in this case, it was 5x minus, and then it's a fraction, 9 divided by y, so 9 over y. So to put the division sign, you just click next to the shift key. You're going to hit this slash button. It'll turn into a fraction. Then you put in the variable y, and you have to go over to the right, because if you start typing, you're going to see it's going to go into the denominator. So I hit the right arrow key, and you can see it goes over 1, and then I just put equals 7. And now you can see we have the graph here. You can see it in green. It goes down here, then it goes to the right. And notice that it never touches this line here, y equals 0. And the reason why it never has the answer for y equals 0 or a point there is because if you let y equal 0, you're going to get 0 in the denominator, and you can't have a 0 in the denominator. 9 divided by 0 is undefined. So that's why you can see that as the line approaches y equal to 0, it gets very close. Like you can have an answer like 0.0001, but you can never equal it because, again, the value of 0 you cannot have in the denominator. It'll be undefined.